Gretchen. I'm the owner of Groovy Goes Vintage down here in Old Towne Orange. So today in Orange we have the car show outside, which is really awesome, especially for me. I grew up with my dad who had a restoration business, so I grew up around all these kinds of cars. So today we've got a lot of guys coming in for their car related ephemera, but also a lot of wives shopping for them as well. So it's been a really cool day here down at Orange and at Groovy Goes Vintage. So here at Groovy Goes Vintage we have a lot of items from dealers like mid-century modern, barware, as well as a huge record selection in the back filled with all kinds of classic rock and jazz, as well as tons of vintage clothing, the 1970s or 90s. T-shirts are really popular with the college kids right now. So there's something for everyone here. You can find us online on Instagram at Groovy Goes Vintage or on our website groovygoesvintage.com.
Fantastic. All right.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear and thank you for watching Blacktop TV.